Discreetly designed and comfortable enough for day-long use, the Livewell Hearing Aid makes sounds louder and clearer for those hard of hearing. This hearing amplifier rests on your outer ear and is easy to handle, insert and adjust with different sized ear molds to help you find the most comfortable fit. Using the volume control, you can adjust the Livewell Hearing Aid to your surroundings. This hearing amplifier offers a natural sound that's clear and comfortable. Replacement batteries are also available from CareCo and can be purchased in a pack of 10. To use your Livewell Hearing Aid, simply open the box and choose the appropriate size earplug and attach it to the hearing aid. Next, open the battery door in this direction and insert the battery as indicated by the polarity symbols on the battery door. Once placed, close the battery door and attach the hearing aid onto your ear by placing the earplug in the ear and positioning the earpiece carefully over the ear. Now you can turn on your hearing aid and adjust the volume between 1 and 4 according to your personal hearing need. It's a good idea to turn off the hearing aid when not in use. You can do this also by adjusting the volume to a minimum or opening the battery door to the lock hinge. The Livewell Hearing Aid, part of CareCo's wider range of visual, sensory and hearing aids. To find out more, visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or just give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.